All right, you guys. So we have this really nice high top suede shoe, and it's a little bit dirty. I was riding my motorcycle with it, and the shifter got it kind of beat up, or not beat up, but dirty. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. It's a black stain. There's quite a few things that you can do. If this is not strong enough to get rid of the majority of this gunkiness or yuckiness, I do have a suede shampoo, and we're gonna hit it with that, and that should be more than enough. And I'll do a separate video, but in the meantime, I just want to demonstrate this this Saphir Beauty de Cure Gamadan. It's basically like an eraser for suede shoes. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm just putting my hand in the shoe, obviously, and I'm applying with my fingers a little bit of pressure up against the toe, the heel here. Or not the toe, goodness. Yeah, around the toe portion, just where this is, where the stain is at. This seems to be working really well. I'm gonna have to get my brush. Oh wow, I can't believe this worked. This worked really well. I'm still gonna have to clean the soles here, the bottom of the shoe. All right, wow, what a difference. All right, we're gonna hit this thing with a brush and just see where we stand. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and brush the shoe very gently. Wow, this did quite a great job. This did an excellent job, actually. This is pretty fantastic. Ooh, maybe it can use a little bit more. I'm not putting too much pressure on where I had the stain. So essentially this is the shoe for my left foot, and this is the shoe that is making contact with the shifter, and the shifter can get really dirty really quickly. And yeah, there might be a little stain right there. It's pretty yucky up there as well. Yeah, this is fantastic. This works really well. This worked really damn well. I don't even think I need to do anything with the shoe. This gummy worked really well. However, I'm probably going to be doing another video anyway, just cleaning these once I'm done with the soles, and showing you how I take care of these high top. Okay, here we go. We got a little bit of staining right here. I don't know if you guys can see that right there where I'm pointing with my finger. There's a little bit of a black spot there. Yeah, this could have come from anywhere in the motorcycle. Any part of the motorcycle could have made it like that. But you know, if you take care of your shoes, they're gonna last you a long time, and you want to keep them looking good. You know, in case you're going at the bar, gonna meet up with some honeys. You don't want no Salvation. You don't want that Salvation Army look. Yeah, so this eraser is working really well. It was kind of pricey for an eraser, but you know, you get what you pay for, fellas. You get what you pay for. I'm looking around the shoe, see if I find any other blemishes, anything that might warrant scrutiny from yours truly, and I don't see anything. Yeah, this shoe is, I mean, this shoe is ready to go. I still see a little bit of the black right here. Let's see if I can bring that closer. It's honestly not that pronounced. This is, I mean, this will pass for the most part. However, we are going to be cleaning the shoe. But if you're in a hurry, or before you even give this thing a proper wash, hit it with the suede eraser from Saphir. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description for this. This thing worked really well. I don't have that many suede shoes. I think I only have 2 or 3. And yeah, you know, it's just, but now I'm an owner of these suede shoes, and you can't really wash them with the conventional products that I usually use. Usually I use Dr. Bronner's and some microfiber cloths, and you know, it's really about it. You don't really, I mean, and then of course you hit, if you're dealing with leather, you know, you hit it with a little bit of the ballistol. This is not going to be, I'm not going to be utilizing any ballistol except for the soles, because you definitely don't want the soles to dry up or, you know, get yucky. Yeah, so this is yeah, so the stain that was initially here, it's pretty much gone, man. So that's fantastic. This is fantastic. Yeah, so the shoe looks so much better now. I'm gonna go ahead and use the soap in a separate video. And this brush right here, the Saphir suede brush, you have these very soft bristles that's you know, it's gonna you know, swipe away any debris pretty easily, and then anything that's a little bit more stubborn, if you apply a little bit of pressure, these are more rigid, more sturdy. They got a little bit more of a punch. They're more wiry, if you will, instead of these black bristles right here, that they're more like nylon. Yeah, so I'm not, you know, just look at my hand motion. I'm not going crazy with it. Yeah, this shoe is in fantastic shape. This looks, I mean, the shoe is already looking really great. And yeah, I mean, this I basically cleaned the nasty, yucky stain on this shoe quite easily. I mean, you guys saw it on video. I mean, this is let me see if I can get the lighting on this. There we go. Yeah, so this is significantly better. This is so much better now. And one reason why you would want to do this, besides quickly cleaning, you know, a little bit of a blemish, you know, a little bit of, you know, I guess asphalt marks, if you will, you can get rid of that, and then you can go back out and you have a presentable shoe. But if you're going to be cleaning a suede shoe properly, you know, you don't want the soap to work harder than it needs to. So that's why, you know, I recommend getting one of these gummies. I mean, this is pretty soft. I'm like bending it with one hand. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of difficult to demonstrate that on the camera, but yeah, I mean, this is fantastic. Yeah, I mean, if you have the right tools, anything is possible. I 100% recommend this. I've never used this product before, and you know, it worked right before my eyes. Let me see. Let's just hit it one more time. Just apply a little bit more pressure, a little bit more pressure. All right. Voila. All right. So yeah, this shoe, here, let's get that light on there again. This shoe looks fantastic. This shoe looks real good. The soles are a little yucky. Again, I haven't properly cleaned this thing, but we're going to, and I'm going to be doing a video about that soon, so stay tuned, guys. So yeah, that was my demonstration of the gummy eraser cleaner from Saphir. Saphir Beauty de Cure. Gomadon? I'm probably saying this so wrong. I'm ridiculous. So now I got to clean this mess up. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about cleaning these suede shoes here. More videos coming up. Peace.